Hey guys, it's me, Faith. I made this slime right now, and look how many bubbles there just is. Comparison. Faith's Secrets slime right there, and then my new slime right there. And then, so let's get started. Let's do the comparison. It's harder and lifts up the container. Now let's poke test. Pretty cool, but I don't like this one. See which one's soft or hard. Because they're both different textures. I made this with a recipe that I made myself. And I made this with a person's recipe that lied to me. Hers came out of a 9K round. Like that. So took them both out of the containers. This one melts very fast, just to tell you. Even I'm very really truthful. Like literally, this is like jiggle slime. I'm gonna be doing a satisfying video with it later. And after I finish the video, I'm putting away the ones that I did not want to. I'm gonna try to put it away to other people. Right. That melts it just really fast. That is like so satisfying. So I just wanted to tell you the good news about my slime. You can check out my slime news. It's called Unicorns. Well, I'm changing my name to Mermaids and Unicorns Forever Slime News. So, bye guys. See you next time. Bye.